Hey ICompete, welcome back to another video. My name is Carlos.
I'm Shayla.
And I'm Marilyn. For today's Tasty Tuesday video, we will be doing chocolate covered bananas.
This is a fun and easy snack for you guys to make at home. It's very healthy and sweet.
So all you guys are gonna need is a banana, a plate to put them on. If you guys have parchment paper so they don't stick to the plate, you guys can use that, but it's okay if you don't. You will need chocolate, melting chocolate. I have almond bark, so does Carlos.
I also have almond bark.
And last, you need toothpicks. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so for the first step, you're gonna wanna peel your banana and then start cutting it into bite-sized pieces. Just like Marilyn has.
Now it's time to melt your chocolate. I have one little chunk of almond bark here in my plate or bowl. You guys can use as much chocolate as you need depending on how many banana slices you guys have, okay? We'll be right back with our melted chocolate.
Okay guys, we're back. We have our melted chocolate. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm doing it. It all depends really on how thick you guys cut the banana slices. So this is how I'm doing it since mine are a little bit thinner. Grabbing the banana, throwing it into the chocolate. Then with the fork, I am just dipping it around. And then I take it out once it's fully covered, like this. And I place it on my plate. If you guys want to still use the toothpicks, you can and put them in on top after you put them on the plate like this. But you can also just leave them like that and have a finger snack.
All right, I am going to be using my fingers because the toothpick was not working for me. I'm just gonna do the same thing that Shayla was doing. I'm just gonna drop it in there. Kind of flip them on both sides. But the chocolate isn't sticking very well. Let's see. Gotta play with it a little. Is this Messy Monday or Tasty Tuesday, guys? Look at this. I'm bad at this. All right, Marilyn, how are you doing this?
So I'm using the toothpick. I don't like a lot of chocolate, so I'm doing half chocolate and then half of it plain. So I'm picking it up with this, just dumping it in here and just getting a little bit of chocolate in there so that it's half covered and half not covered. And again, you guys will do this at your own liking. Some of you may like more chocolate, some of you may not. So be creative in the way that you guys cover your bananas.
Okay guys, we finally finished dipping our bananas in the chocolate. This is what mine look like. They're a little bit messy towards the end. These are the first ones and these are the last ones, but it's still the same thing.
And this is how mine look like. Like I said, some of them are half and then some of them are somewhat covered.
And my chocolate got hard right away, guys, so mine was a complete fail. But I hope you guys have a lot more fun doing this easy, tasty, and sweet snack.
You guys can eat your bananas like this once you guys finish dipping them, or you can put them in the freezer for an extra ice cream-ish snack.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and had a lot of fun. We will see you next time. Bye!